Sometimes I get messages from people that watch my videos and they're like, Josh, I really would love it if you would come and find my geocache. And you know what? Sometimes I answer the call because sometimes I am in the area where those geocaches are. And today is that case. I'm in the beautiful area of Duluth, Minnesota. If you've never been to Duluth, Minnesota, you need to, because it's one of the most beautiful places in our country. Not only is it a beautiful place, but it is a place where I have been invited by geocachers by the name of Wonderwags. Wonderwags. That is an awesome name. Not only do I love geocaches, but I love geocaches hidden in little free libraries. And so right over there in this beautiful, beautiful city, there's a little free library and there's a geocache hidden in it. And let's go see if we can find it. And there we are, another beautiful little free library. Look at this one. This one even has a step stool for short people, for little people, for children. And I see books in it. And the fun thing is I need to find the geocache. One of the things I love about little free libraries geocaches is that often there's like a hidden little secret compartment that only geocachers know about. So let's investigate this one and see what we can find. This one has a solid paint job. We got some really nice shingles up here, and I'm not sure, we got a little hook there. We got some rocks there. Maybe it's a fake rock, who knows? Let's check out the library and see what we can find. All right, we got some books in here. A nice little assortment. We've got kids' books on this side, and okay, we got some books over here. Great books, and then ooh, what's in here? Oh, that's cute. It looks like here, this is where you can like check out the books. We got some bookmarks. I've seen little free libraries that have little like things that open up right here, but I'm not seeing anything. And certainly I don't see any fake books in here unless one of these is a fake book. Oh, I am on the back. And what do I see on the back? Those are hinges. Hinges, and hinges usually open up. Yeah. It opens up from the back. I've never seen one like that, but not only that, oh my gosh, it is adorable in there. It's a little library. When they say little library, a little tiny library. Check out, we got a little frog there sitting in the corner. We've got lots of little tiny books. We've got a desk, and then, that's so cool, guys. Look, it lights up. It lights up. Oh my gosh, it has a little carpet in here and some books on the floor. And then it looks like we have a big book here in the middle. And oh, you are now sitting inside the little free library. And look, I found a new English dictionary. And is this the geocache? Oh, I'm not done yet. It's locked up. It's locked up with a little 3-digit code. And I have to, I think, figure out what the padlock code is. So, I think first thing is that I check out the cache page. So the name of the geocache is Little White House. Maybe I'm guessing that each number is the number of letters in each word. So let me count that. Maybe, possibly, maybe, could it be? Did it backwards. Maybe, possibly. That's not it. I'm thinking. I'm gonna turn off the camera because I don't want you to watch me thinking. Oh my gosh. I had to read very carefully. Apparently in the mini bookshelf, there's a number that is attached to one of the little books, and that is the number for the cache. You see that white book? I'm going to blur it out, but on that white book is the number for the padlock code. I'm almost absolutely positive. It is right there, staring me in the face. Hopefully the book gave me the padlock code, and there's the logbook. This geocache has all the perfect little touches because the logbook has a checkout little card from the library. That is so smart. We have a little dude in here. We have lots of geocaching stickers. What a great cache. Oh my gosh. Big favorite point. I'm so glad I stopped here. And there we go right there. Geocaching vlogger. I'm not gonna take anything, but I'm gonna leave something. I'm gonna leave this. Hopefully the owner gets it, but this is a geocaching vlogger magnet, and I'm gonna put it in there. Look, it even sticks to the cache. And I'm gonna leave one of my stickers that say found cache, forgot pen. But you know what? I didn't forget a pen this time. I did bring a pencil, but I used the pen inside there. So I'm gonna drop that in there as well. The coolest little dictionary ever. All right, let's put it back. Put it right there. It's the most adorable little free library attic I ever saw. Man, if I was just tiny, this would be a cute little place to relax. Until next time, little free library. That was one of the most adorable little free library geocaches I ever found. Thank you, Wonderwags, for inviting me here. It was completely worth it. My only regret was that you were not home for me to say thank you for the amazing geocache. All right, thanks so much for watching. Now you get out there, go enjoy this beautiful spring weather and find a geocache, and I'll see you on the next video.